Stuart's House Vacuums. This is Jerry. Yes, we do repair Kirby's. We have genuine parts in stock. We can pretty much do anything to it. What's going on with it? Yeah, that might be kind of hard to diagnose. It won't start, huh? Just bring it in and we'll give you a free estimate on it. And if we get in there and find that it's something you don't want to do, we can just stop and there won't be any charge. Or we'll give you an estimate, let you know how much it is, and you can decide what you want to do. We're open 8:30 to 5:30 Monday through Friday, Saturday 10 to 4 at 3127 Central. Just bring it in and we'll see you and see how it goes. Thanks.